This is
Guadalupe Mountains
National Park.
Hi, we're Rheannon and Jordan, two best friends that have been living and traveling the country in our RV for the last 11 months. Unfortunately, in our last video, we had to leave Big Bend National Park early due to issues with our Jeep Stevie. We drove 300 miles to Carlsbad, New Mexico, and found an awesome shop where we were able to have the alternator replaced the next day. Once we were back up and running, we headed out to explore Guadalupe Mountains National Park, located just east of El Paso in Texas.
Today we're hiking into McKittrick Canyon to the Grotto, which is 7 miles round trip.
Pratt Cabin. It's a little cabin that was built out here in 1931 and 1932. It's completely made of stone, the floor, the ceiling, the walls, everything. It's out in the middle of McKittrick Canyon, just kind of a random little abode.
Looks like fall.
Traffic jam in Texas. Listen, guy. What are you doing? Can we go around? Look at this guy. He's like all panda bear looking motherfucker. You want to be a panda? Don't charge us, but I know. Yeah, you look scary. Why are you just staring at us?
We made it to
Salt Flats.
sand dunes, gypsum sand dunes. There's nobody here but us, and I'm not mad about that because it's absolutely beautiful. I think we have to hike about a mile to get to the dunes, so we're gonna do that. We're here to explore the Salt Basin dunes. Most people don't visit this area of the park because it's a little bit off the beaten path. But I think it's well worth it. So we're here. No one else is here, which is beautiful. And we're gonna go explore the salt dunes out here. So apparently the gate down here closes at sunset. Is that before sunset, after sunset, in the middle of sunset?
We're not really sure.
For sunset, so hoping we don't get locked in. That would be nice.
What the hell is that? Is that a cactus? It looks like it would wrap me in its arms and kill me slowly. Here we are. So I just met a lovely couple who's been hiking this for 20 years and said that they will cite you if you're parked here after sunset. So we hiked out more than a mile.
We're just gonna sit here and wait
Till
for
dusk.
20 minutes, see if we can get some awesome views of Guadalupe Mountains and the sunset, and if not, I think it'll be easy for us to get back to the trail.
Yes.
I don't really feel confident hiking out into the middle of that right now, not knowing where I'm at.
When the sun's about to go down. Without a flashlight.
And the dark becomes night. It becomes night. Zero vision.
Highest peak in Texas.
Seems like a lot longer going back than it did going out.
Sure does. You can see the entrance. It just doesn't seem to be getting any closer as we walk.
Just gonna keep on walking then.
It's starting to get dark. Good thing we have phone flashlights.
That's right. Pew pew.
Can you tell me what happened?
Well, I saw a cactus
Had
and
to
I
touch it.
wanted to see how spiky it was. It was very spiky and it hurt me.
So should we just not touch
I
cactuses?
think that's probably a good life plan.
Don't touch them.
From now on. Not a cactus.
From now on, don't touch a cactus.
Yep, don't touch sharp things.
All right, I'm headed up Guadalupe Peak. It is so windy already. It's supposed to be windier at the top. I'm hoping. Am I crazy? Maybe. This trail is 8.2 miles with 3,000 feet of elevation. 3,000 feet of elevation gain, and the 4.1 miles up to the top. So it's gonna be pretty brutal. Not sure if I'm gonna make it. Not sure if I want to. This wind is gnarly. Supposedly the first part is the steepest, and I'm feeling it. But I've heard the views from the top are incredible, so I'm gonna try. My ears are freezing because of the wind. Never-ending switchbacks. I mean, I guess that's to be expected. Feeling pretty good. Not quite as windy as when I started. So that makes me happy. Feeling good, feeling good. Got some energy. Ready to keep going. Pretty sure that's the peak right there. Make my way. I only wish I had something to cover my ears because it's really cold. I have a hat and I can put my hair down, but this wind is so strong, honestly, I think my hat might blow off, even if I put it on really tight. So, I'm gonna keep on keeping on. See you out there. That means I have one more mile to go and I will be at the top. Almost there. All right, I'm headed down. Whew. I'm headed down. As soon as I got up there, I just wanted to get down because it was so freaking windy that it was not enjoyable, in my opinion. Feel accomplished because I made it, but I'm ready to go down. Would I recommend this on a windy day? No, wait till there's no wind, so might be a little bit more enjoyable. But I only had today, so you gotta take what you can get. Oh, I'm really scared that's gonna break. I don't want it to break. Let's pull it inside. Welcome to our lives lately. We just found a 6-pack of chicken breast from the grocery store that we left in the car for 2 days. That's nice. And now our trash is just hanging on outside. Forgot to stop by the dumpster. Don't know what I was going to say. Oh, I got it. Yes. We just finished a fucking 7-mile hike. Now we're doing another 2 miles. Lister City on my 2. Lister City. Oof. Yes. Come back for you.